Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Browser. Browser. Browser means computer program with graphical user interface. For example, a web browser. A web browser. Buck. Buck. Buck means male of some horned animals. For example, can you imagine paying $47 to watch skateboarding? Can you imagine paying $47 to watch skateboarding? Buddy. Buddy. Buddy means close friend. For example, they had become the best of buddies. They had become the best of buddies. Synonyms: friend, companion, boon companion. Buffer. Buffer. Buffer means person or thing forming barrier. For example, family and friends can provide a buffer against stress. Family and friends can provide a buffer against stress. Synonyms: cushion, bulwark. Bulk. Bulk. Bulk means mass or size of something large. For example, the sheer bulk of the bags. The sheer bulk of the bags. Synonyms: size, volume, dimensions. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means system of government. For example, virtually all corporations and government bureaucracies are dictatorship. Virtually all corporations and government bureaucracies are dictatorship. Synonyms: civil service, administration, government. Burial. Burial. Burial means action or practice of burying dead body. For example, his remains were shipped home for burial. His remains were shipped home for burial. Synonyms: burial, burying, committal. Cabinet. Cabinet. Cabinet means cupboard. For example, a medicine cabinet. A medicine cabinet. Synonyms: cupboard. Calculation. Calculation. Calculation means mathematical determination. For example, finding ways of saving money involves complicated calculations. Finding ways of saving money involves complicated calculations. Synonyms: computation, reckoning, adding up. Canvas. Canvas. Canvas means cloth. For example, a canvas bag. A canvas bag. Synonyms: canvas. Capability. Capability. Capability means power or ability. For example, he had an intuitive capability of bringing the best out in people. He had an intuitive capability of bringing the best out in people. Synonyms: ability, capacity, power. Cargo. Cargo. Cargo means goods carried on ship, aircraft, or motor vehicle. For example, transportation of bulk cargo. Transportation of bulk cargo. Synonyms: freight, load, haul. Carriage. Carriage. Carriage means horse-drawn vehicle. For example, a horse-drawn carriage. A horse-drawn carriage. Casino. Casino. Casino means public room or building where gambling games are played. For example, UK bookmakers, casinos and betting shops make billions of pounds every year. UK bookmakers, casinos and betting shops make billions of pounds every year. Synonyms: gambling house, gambling club, gaming club. Casualty. Casualty. Casualty means person killed or injured. For example, the shelling caused thousands of civilian casualties. The shelling caused thousands of civilian casualties. Synonyms: victim, fatality, mortality. Catalogue. Catalogue. Catalogue means complete list of items. For example, a catalogue of its library survives from 1372, listing 646 items. A catalogue of its library survives from 1372, listing 646 items. Synonyms: catalogue, inventory, record. Cattle. Cattle. Cattle means large ruminant animals with horns and cloven hoofs, domesticated for meat or milk. For example, agriculture is mainly pastoral, but recent droughts have decimated cattle herds. Agriculture is mainly pastoral, but recent droughts have decimated cattle herds. Synonyms: cows, bovines, oxen. Caution. Caution. Caution means care taken to avoid danger or mistakes. For example, anyone receiving a suspect package should exercise extreme caution. Anyone receiving a suspect package should exercise extreme caution. Synonyms: care, carefulness, wariness. Cemetery. Cemetery. Cemetery means large burial ground. For example, a military cemetery. A military cemetery. Synonyms: graveyard, churchyard, burial ground. Chamber. Chamber. Chamber means large room. For example, a council chamber. A council chamber. Synonyms: room, hall, assembly room.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.